2012. Weather message: National Weather Service, Midland, Odessa, TX 235 p.m. CDT, Tuesday, October 27, 2020. High wind warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. What? Northeast winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Guadalupe and Delaware Mountains in Texas. When? Until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Precautionary preparedness actions: people should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. And $. For more information from the National Weather Service, visit https://weather.gov/math.